Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're getting into something really interesting, an object that's genuinely shaken things up in its field.
Absolutely.
We're talking about the Bvlgari Octo Finissimo Automatic Yellow Gold Watch.
A fantastic choice. It really did challenge things.
Right. So our mission here is to dig into the source material you shared and figure out, why this specific watch is seen as a modern icon, what makes it so groundbreaking.
It's a great subject because its path to iconic status is, well, a bit different.
Exactly. When you think iconic watch, you often picture, I don't know, decades of history, maybe super complex insides. But the Octo Finissimo is famous for something else. People say it's breaking records left and right.
That's true.
So for someone maybe not deep in the watch world, what's the core of that? Is it just about being thin?
Well, yes and no. The ultra thinness is definitely central. I mean, the automatic version is an incredible 6.4 millimeter thick.
Wow, 6.4 millimeter.
Wow. Yeah. Think about that for a self-winding watch.
Mm.
It's barely there. It's like
Mhm.
a few credit cards thick, but it's more than just the number. It's the defiance in achieving it.
Defiance. How so?
Well, traditionally, luxury often meant heft, complexity you could feel. The Octo Finissimo just flips that idea. It proves luxury can be incredibly sleek, pushing engineering boundaries.
That is an amazing feat. And, okay, there are lots of Octo Finissimos, but we're focusing on one specific version. The matte sandblasted yellow gold edition. You called this one of the latest and greatest. Tell us about this one. Why gold for something so thin and modern seems almost contradictory?
That's what's so interesting. They took this super modern, ultra-thin design and applied it to 18K yellow gold. But crucially, it's got this very unusual matte sandblasted finish.
Ah, okay. Not shiny gold then.
Exactly. It makes it feel really contemporary almost. Stealthy, even though it's solid gold. Keeps that 40 millimeter diameter, but with that crazy 6.4 millimeter thinness, it's a bold mix.
And the rest of the design, the dial, the features.
It's all very cohesive. The dial is also sandblasted yellow gold, same finish. Creates this really cool monochromatic look.
Nice. Legible though.
Oh yeah, sharp black markers and hands provide good contrast. You've got flat sapphire crystal front and back so you can see the movement.
Oh, good.
And impressively, a screw-down crown with a little black ceramic cap, and it manages 100 meters of water resistance.
100 meters on a watch that thin. That's something.
It really is.
Okay, so given how incredibly thin it is, the real marvel must be the inside. How did they possibly fit a high-performance automatic movement in there? Here's where it gets really interesting.
Ah, yes, is the heart of it. The ultra-thin caliber BVL 138. It's an automatic manufacture movement.
Manufacture, meaning Bvlgari made it all in-house.
Correct. Designed and built by them. That's a big deal. And the key to its thinness is the platinum micro-rotor.
A micro-rotor. Okay, smaller than a standard rotor.
Much smaller. But because it's platinum, it's heavy, so it still winds the watch efficiently without adding much height at all.
Clever. And performant.
Solid. It runs at 21,600 vibrations per hour, which helps with a thin profile and gives you a good 60-hour power reserve.
60 hours. Pretty practical. So the engineering inside is just as focused as the outside design. What about the bracelet? I hear it's integrated.
Absolutely. It flows right from the case. Same edgy design, same matte sandblasted yellow gold. It just continues the whole look seamlessly.
On the clasp.
Hidden folding clasp. Keeps it all very streamlined.
Yeah.
It's part of their main collection now, not a limited thing, which says a lot. Retail is EUR 51,500.
51.5. Okay, so let's pull this all together. The extreme thinness, the specific gold finish, the in-house micro-rotor movement. What does this all mean for luxury watches? Why is this watch such a big deal?
Well, if you look at the bigger picture, this specific watch really embodies pushing boundaries. It's about the relentless drive for thinness, yes, but also about total design cohesion. Every single part works together.
From the movement to the bracelet finish.
Exactly. It proves that major innovation can come from radical refinement, from perfecting a single dimension, not just adding more complications. It kind of redefines what's possible, both technically and aesthetically.
It certainly seems to. Okay, so for you listening, here's something to think about after this deep dive. How could the Bvlgari Octo Finissimo's laser focus on thinness, on that specific material execution, inspire innovation elsewhere? Think about other everyday objects. What could happen if they were reimagined with that kind of singular, almost defiant focus on one dimension or aesthetic? Could they become iconic too?